Did you know you can make $700 per day from home just by using your laptop? And it's stupid easy. Let me show you how. Head over to rev.com, scroll all the way to the bottom, and click on Become a Freelancer. They're super flexible and you have hundreds of typing jobs to choose from. If you type for 8 hours a day, you can make over $700. Now let me show you the part that makes it super easy. Head over to Google Docs, click Tools, and click Voice Typing. Once you click record, it will start typing every word you say.
See, the problem with these side hustle videos or remote job videos is that they simply have very high competition for you to get started with, or you have to meet a specific requirement, or they're very misleading on how much you will really make, or they simply just do not work. So instead, I recommend you to learn one simple high income skill called affiliate marketing. And with this skill, you don't need prior experience, you don't need a degree or tech skills to get started as a complete beginner. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, just follow me to check out some of my affiliate marketing content on my page.